When we're discussing proportions, we're really using ratios. And remember, we talked about ratios and how they're really similar to fractions, except we can use equivalent ratios. And that's what proportions are trying to find. So if you remember cross products, and if you don't, that's okay because we're going to review it. Cross products means that we can prove whether something is proportional or not. So is 2 over 6 the same as 1 over 3? You can use cross products to figure that out. Cross over 2 times 3 to become your denominator, and cross over 6 times 1 to be your numerator. And when you simplify, 6 times 1 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. If they match, then that means you have a proportional relationship. When we're doing this and a variable is involved, we're using the same process, but there's a little bit of extra solving at the end. So we use our cross products. 13 times x is 13x. And across for the bottom, 2 times 40. We know that these need to be the same thing. So we would say that 13x is equal to, what is 2 times 40? Well, that's 80. And at that point, it's a one-step equation. Using your calculator, you can divide, and you're able to figure out that x is equal to 6.2. Okay? And that's what would go in that place in that fraction. Sometimes the variable is going to be on the bottom. We do the same thing. Use your cross products. So cross over. The c and the 5 will be multiplied to make 5c. The 1 and the 12 will cross over to be multiplied. And we know that these should be equal. So 5c is equal to 1 times 12, which is 12. Again, one-step equation. 5 times something equals 12, so we divide. 12 divided by 5 is 2.4. So C equals 2.4. That means in this ratio, 2.4 would go here, and that would make these two fractions the same. Okay? That would set up your proportional relationship with two ratios.